हेलो एंड वेलकम टू इजान इनाया व्लॉग्स। 9 फेब को था मेरा बर्थडे, तो बस उसी का वीडियो है ये।
स्टार्ट पंटे
यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो हमारे ट्यूशन के बच्चों ने एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज़ प्लान किया था। छोटा नहीं, बड़ा ही सरप्राइज़ प्लान किया था और ये आए हैं घर पे मुझे विश करने के लिए। तो चलिए देखते हैं व्लॉग।
Assalamualaikum, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I had a doubt in maths.
What up?
It's actually in chapter. I forgot chapter. Ratio and
How
proportion.
come Sumaya and all, Hajira and all? Come in. Come Hajira.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
This is maths doubt.
Not maths, ma'am. She bought Kannada book, in fact.
Acha, this is Kannada book and she's asking for maths doubt.
We came for you, ma'am, today.
That's such a nice surprise. Huh, Noora? Why didn't you say?
Simply, ma'am.
Who planned this?
We
All together, ma'am.
Last night only we were supposed to call you and
I
wish
only
you.
gave the idea, ma'am. She said tomorrow is Shashi ma'am's birthday, so she'll
Call
not give
and we'll
tuitions. I
surprise.
said we'll go surprise.
No, but I declared holiday, no?
You declared.
Ma'am, yesterday night we are
Today is
supposed
Sunday,
to 12
right?
o'clock we are supposed to do voice message, but Noora said we'll go surprise her in the.
Acha, nice. Thank you so much. First. Okay, good. Somebody keep your phone for the standing position also. We'll place it on. Give me.
Mama.
हाँ, give me. Hey, it is very dangerous. Keep the children away.
Phone check हो रहा.
Ma'am, you go in between.
Be careful. Come, where is that small little girl? Hold. She's getting scared.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shazia ma'am. Happy birthday to you.
Who made the cake?
Ma'am, give it to your daughter first.
You people have bought it first, no? Thank you. No cake for Mama. Again she will start crying. Have. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I thought your mummy has prepared it.
No, ma'am, we did not have time.
Yeah, tissue put it.
Can I get tissue? I'm eating all double. Don't apply. No. Be careful with the dress. Don't apply on the dress because no, I have to return the dress.
Tissue, Anisha.
दियो बाबा, सबको दियो.
हाँ मैं थका वीडियो बना रही हूँ.
Why not for you? Damn it, no. No, I didn't apply only. I didn't apply. Little for Inaya also. Where is Noora, man? She's running away. Hold her and go there. Hold Roman, Noora and come here.
Yara.
My phone.
Okay, done.
Wait, I have tissues, then take one. Keep here. Okay. Take. Happy birthday.
ஏய் இது சாக்லேட் எடுத்து சாப்பிட்டுருக்கு.
ஏய் எனக்கு வையே.
அது எல்லா ஹாட்டும் காலிடி. உண்மையிலே காலி வேணா வந்து பாரு. ருமானா ஒண்ணே
Rumana had ice cream. Yes. Come, give me no little. Give me no.
அவனுக்கு கொடு. கொடு.
Give me no.
உனக்கு கொடுத்தாங்களே நீ கொடு.
Please, little.
கொடு.
Little. Rumana kodu.
She's so scared.
Rumana kodu. She's giving. She's seriously giving. No, Rumana, you keep that spoon. Give me this full dabba. Full dabba.
டப்பா கொடு.
Full dabba. Full dabba. No spoon. Only dabba. Full dabba ice
So
cream.
scared, man.
She's scared of you, it seems.
Why? What I will do?
Your teacher knows so.
உனக்கு ஐஸ்கிரீம் வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்களே அப்படியே கொடு.
ஆமால குடு.
Full dabba ice cream. Kudu.
போ.
She won't give.
எது பண்ண மாட்டாங்க அவங்க.
Come.
நல்லா சிந்தி வச்சிருக்காங்க.
Come here. What if I was not at home? Sumaya, Hajira, Noora, outside the house only.
Yes.
Until you go.
Until
If-
you come, you would
Because
really
we'll surprise from outside.
Otherwise,
Acha.
if
not cake all, man.
Otherwise, if you were in shop next location, we could have come to the shop.
Come to the shop. Acha. But how would you get to know that I was in the shop?
If you're not here in the shop,
If I'm not in the shop today, I'm not going to shop also. If I'm not there, where? If I'm roaming around somewhere,
we would call you. We would call you. No way, we would call you.
come back.
then
No, our next plan was to tell our moms to call you to see the dresses or something.
acha like that.
So in
that
that
was
way
the
we'll come
plan.
with surprise.
Okay,
There was
that
plan
was
B.
plan B. If plan A doesn't work, plan B is there.
So plan A worked
Or
successfully.
we have done call 2 minutes for a talk and we have to give it to the police and we will find the location and come.
Police and all involved. Then tell me, how are your studies going on these days? Apart from birthdays.
Without attending your tuition, it's so boring.
See, first it was Yara's birthday. Okay, last week I gave a holiday. Then the same week Arfa's birthday holiday. Then yesterday was Adil's birthday is holiday. Today is my birthday. But today is Sunday, luckily. So that is a general holiday. So what happened? Speak in English so that even I can understand better. I can understand, but I should understand more better.
She's giving a present to Yara Chips.
Is it? Okay. Khali dabba. Okay. Okay, let me introduce you all. Okay. This, from where shall I start? From here? Okay. Hajira. Rumana, come here. This is our little Rumana. Rumana, come here. Rumana, your hands are dirty? No. Hands are clean, no? Yes, very clean. Where is ice cream? Ice cream is here. Ice cream is here. Give me then. You'll not give. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. What happened, man? You didn't like the cake? What happened?
Ma'am, we asked him chocolate. But she gave red velvet.
I think he got confused.
They saw out and bought man.
It's all right, no problem. That is also good. So now, tell me, let us continue with the introduction part. So the first one is Hajira. Hajira, raise your hand. Okay, this is Hajira. आवाज नहीं करो इनाया. So this is Hajira, and Hajira, which school you are studying in, Hajira? Okay, and where is Sumaya?
I'm here, ma'am.
Okay, these both are siblings, Sumaya and Hajira. Sumaya, which class you are in?
9.
9th standard. Okay, Sumaya and Hajira, they were studying I mean to say they're studying in my tuition only, but now from few days they are not coming because they shifted their house and stuff. Right? Which school, Sumaya? Oasis International School. And this is Noora and this is Yara. Okay, Noora and Yara, which school?
Zenith Academy.
Yara?
Zenith Academy.
Zenith Academy. Noora, which class?
6th.
Yara?
10th grade.
Okay, so all these people, they're studying with me. I mean, in my tuition since lockdown. Since lockdown, it's a long time. 2020.
Yes.
2020 to 2025, 5 years. We all are together. Right? Noora was such a small girl. You know, Noora, how you were? You had no hair on your head. No, she was not motte. She had hair. Okay, very tiny boy cut hair. Boy cut hair.
Boy good.
Even Yara's hair was small.
Even I had very
Short hair. Sumaya and Hajira, they had beautiful long hairs that time. No?
No only kottadu mudi, like it hair
Now? Now what happened?
fall.
Hair fall is
Hair
happening.
fall is happening.
I think you are using that, what is that, Mysore oil, what is that? That oil is there, no? Something, it will grow long.
Adivasi.
Adivasi, if you put that, your hair will go. Did you ever? Why should I put? My hair is not going and I'm putting my own oil. So, and this is, tell me.
My name is Razia.
Razia. So Razia joined just last year. Okay, she was taking last year Hindi. No? Which school? Which school, Razia?
Florence Public.
Florence Public School. So these all are my students. Many students are there, but they haven't come. No? See these people enjoying. What happened?
Planning, I could have called Adil also.
We could have called Adil, Arfa. Right?
Yeah, but then there was no plan. Today morning we only planned to come and like at least wish you at least at 12. But then we were like, we'll go and surprise her. So we came.
Nice surprise. It is nice surprise.
Once again, happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Going, everyone? Bye. Bye bye. Thank you for making my day so memorable. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye, Naya. Bye.
Go carefully, okay? Cross the roads carefully. Don't. She's coming. Then you come here only. Wait, no. Okay. एंड देन इनाया ने भी बहुत ही अच्छा से प्लान किया था बर्थडे पार्टी एंड शी हैड प्रिपेयर्ड दिस डांस. आई मीन उसने खुद ने कोरियोग्राफ किया था ये वाला डांस.